Welcome back everybody to another Halloween product review. Now the off season is definitely the best time to find the good bargains on your Halloween decor, including inflatables. Now if you've watched my past videos, you know I like to buy inflatables on Amazon and they tend to be the sort of Chinese knockoffs, but this is a legit Gemmy inflatable. I got it actually from Overstock, though they do have it on Amazon. Overstock had these on clearance and I was actually going to do a giveaway with this, but they only had one left in stock. So sorry guys, I'm keeping this one for myself. But what is it? It is this 10-foot inflatable skeleton thing. It is called Thunder Bare Bones or Bare Bones Thunder, one or the other. It is actually still for sale on Amazon, but it's not cheap. The ones on Amazon I saw were about 100 or more. I think I even saw one that was 200 because you know any old person can sell on Amazon. However, I got this one from Overstock. It was $32 plus tax and shipping, which came out to be about $40. So I'm pretty happy with that, considering, like I said, I can't find it any cheaper than well, no, that's a lie. I did see it for $45 plus shipping, so it was coming out to be like $50 or so. Online when I was looking around. If you're interested in it, you can find it. Probably won't find it as cheap as my $32 on Overstock though, so I'm pretty proud of that. But what it is here, again, it kind of looks like this big giant skeleton guy. It says it features a photorealistic character, creates a flickering short circuit light effect. It lights up, easy setup, indoor outdoor use. That's pretty much it. Find out more information on Gemmy.com, but you don't need to go there because we're going to take a look at this right now. But since it is 10 foot tall, we're going to have to go outside, so let's head out. All right, I've gone ahead and opened the box, and inside we have another cardboard box. And then once you open that one, we finally get to the inflatable. So let's go ahead and pull that out. It's a nice little compact cube. Now, one thing I'm noticing offhand, well, aside, here are some stakes. We're not going to use those today. Some instructions, likewise, I don't need those. I see some like creepy cloth material here, so I'm a little concerned about that. I like my inflatables to be all this weather-resistant material. I don't necessarily want that creepy cloth on there that might get musty. And I'm not sure why there's a second plastic bag, but just get rid of that. All right. The base here, got a nice little fan with the legs that pop into place. Kind of a, what is that, like a couple of foot long cord here. Let's go ahead, put him down, plug him in, see what happens. All right. I can already see the lights flashing. That's that short circuit effect. Here is that creepy cloth material I was mentioning. This is supposed to be his photorealistic face. And I think... All right, just checking to make sure that I didn't have any flaps open or zippers open. I don't. But there we go. So I'm about 6'4". He's supposed to be 10 foot tall. I guess that's roughly right. Again, you can see the flashing lights. Let me go ahead and bring the camera in. We'll take a closer look. I really love his hands, how they reach out and grab with its sort of claw-like fingers there. Close up of the creepy cloth. He's sort of printed on skeleton design here. The photorealistic face that towers over you. All right. At the bottom we've got a little bit of fringe. You can kind of see in this lighting that flickering effect going on. Right, I'm admitting now I do kind of like that creepy cloth hanging there. Very creepy. On the sides, you do have some anchor points for tying him down, one on each side. And then the back, there again you can see the lights flickering. It looks like you've got one in the head. There's another one. Of course, they stopped blinking there at the wrong time. There's 3, 4, 5. 5 lights on the back. I do like how he is well balanced. I mean, my driveway's on a little bit of a slope, and he's not falling over, so that's good. Again, he does have the 2 tie-down points, but I think he's a good prop that it can stand on his own. But let's go ahead and deflate him. See how fast he deflates. Aw, his hands come down quick. Right. Again, there is a zipper here on the bottom. It does seem rather large, so let's go ahead and unzip that. Let some of this air out. All right, so tell me, what do you think? I kind of like it. You know, I was a little hesitant buying this. Like I said, I was going to do it as a giveaway, but I was going to buy myself one too, just to, you know, be able to do this review with you. The problem is like I don't really have a place for this. I bought a bunch of inflatable ghosts last year to have kind of a little theme going on. I mean, he doesn't quite fit that since he's not really a ghost. I mean, he's kind of ghostish, but the skeleton head and the painted on skeleton body, it kind of makes it its own little thing. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this. It's going to end up being one of those props that's kind of just like tucked into the background. But it's not really going to fit my theme. So he is what he is. He's pretty cool. I do kind of like his face. He calls it photorealistic. I'm not sure if I would call it that, but I've seen that a lot of the inflatables these days are moving toward that sort of photorealistic effect. So I'm excited to see the new inflatables that are coming this season, and can't wait to get some of those too and share them with you and explore them and see how well they work. So stay tuned if you're interested in seeing all that. Make sure you're subscribed, and that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching again, guys. Till next time, take care and happy haunting.
Ha 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 ha!